Top 5 Best Dog Clippers. Top 5 Products on Amazon. Simplify the laborious grooming process for your small or large breed canine by using one of these dog clippers to maintain its coat. Good for pet owners and professional groomers. Our list of kits offers a mix of corded and battery-operated devices with powerful motors, adjustable blades, and guide combs that make easy work of cutting through hair and fur of any length or thickness. 1 is All Dog Shaver Clippers. Dog Grooming Kit Clippers. Wiz Dog Clippers with Storage Case.
Today we are going to be unboxing these rechargeable clippers for your pet. The first thing I noticed is that it comes in a nice case. It's not hardcover, but it's not soft cover. It's almost like a hybrid hard soft cover. But it is firm enough that it doesn't feel like it would be crushed. It's crush resistant, I would say. Okay, here's what's inside the package. On the left-hand side, we have a pouch with a pair of scissors. These look like really nice scissors, actually. These are a pair of really nice scissors, finishing scissors for around your dog's paws or around their face. Then we have the instructions. Next up on this side is a metal comb. This is also really heavy and nice. I'm really impressed by the weight behind this, as well as the scissors. On this side, we have several
Wall Lithium-Ion Pro Series Cordless Animal Clippers. And is 24820 Easy Clip Professional Animal.